My name is Eliu Albelo. I'm coming from Bayamón, Puerto Rico, and I've been in the tint industry for 26 years. The culture on the Autobahn family is the same. Either if you are in United States, here in Malaysia, Korea, or wherever part in the world, you're gonna get treated as a family. That's the number one priority of the Autobahn film family. You feel welcome, you feel valued, and that's the number one thing for us. One pass, second pass, third pass. Yeah, these are pretty hard.
My name is Brody Matthews. I've been in the window film industry for 21 years. The experience that I've had at this event has been something that I'll never forget. I've met some of the kindest people. I've had firsthand experience of the culture here, to where now I can relate to everybody throughout Asia as we continue to grow.
My name is Boyd from Australia. I run a distribution company called PFD Film, and we also run the Tint School. I started in the industry in 1998, so I've almost done 26 years. So the main difference, I believe, between Malaysia and Australia, Malaysia seem to have larger amount of staff in their shops. Australia, the shops are pretty small, so you might have an owner and an installer, whereas Malaysia have a much bigger team. So it's good to see everyone working together, and quality was amazing. Very good window tinners in this country, and it was great to see.
Always have to keep the torch straight to the glass. Oh my God, this team, this guy has a dream team here. Everybody's good. Like, they can tint, they can PPF, their work is super clean. If you're really looking here in Malaysia for a top window tint job, you have to come here. Don't look further, don't look anyone else. These guys do an amazing job, super clean. I'm telling you, I've been tinting for 26 years and these kids can tint. These kids are good.